You think you're funny, do you?
Hello, third grade parents. Miss Beckett and I, your fantastic math teachers, have a little request we'd like to make of you. Maybe not so little. Our students are expected to know their math facts with addition and subtraction up to 20. Some of them do, some of them don't. Nonetheless, we've had to move on and explain the concept of multiplication as being repeat addition. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 3 being added 4 times. That makes it 4 groups of 3, or 4 times 3, which equals 12. Our students will benefit from a little practice at home. We've been using an app in class called Math Drills Lite. Math Drills Lite allows you, for free, to give the kids an opportunity to practice those multiplication math facts. And I want to take a little bit of time to show you how it works. So you'll notice the orientation here is for a phone. We go straight to the App Store and simply key in Math Drills Lite into the search bar, and the app pops right up. Again, it's free. And once you've downloaded it and opened it, you can head straight to the settings. Once you get to settings, you'll have certain choices. Go ahead and choose problem generation and choose multiplication, and then you can select which facts you want to actually practice. Here we've chosen 4s, multipliers from 2 to 9. We're going to go multiplied by from 2 to 12. Once we've done that, you can choose review or practice. This is review. You'll notice there's a number line that can help them figure out the answer if they need it. It also uses a keypad, which takes a little longer for them to figure out because they're just honestly not that quick at this point. If you go to the problem generation settings again, you can actually change from the keypad to multiple choice. Multiple choice is pretty effective because it gives the kids a chance to really use their skills more based on recognition than anything else, but it does help them learn the facts so that they create a picture in their mind of what facts go with which product. So back to the settings, and we can actually shift the number of tables that we practice at the same time. We can also move the number of factors that we practice. Here it's going from 2 to 5. That just makes it a little bit easier. Once you see the traffic light, you know that it's going to be timed. Here the kids are asked to use the keypad. And there are 3 different tables being tested at the same time. The reason I have filmed this using the phone orientation is because we thought it would be incredibly useful and easy if, when you're driving these beautiful kids around from one activity to the next, if you could just toss your phone in the back, tell them to practice whatever tables they happen to be on in school. Right now we have a timed test schedule worked out. Most kids have passed their 2s, which they should have mastered in first grade with their doubles, just simply knowing 7 plus 7 is 14. 2 groups of 7, 2 times 7 is 14. Some of them have not. Those who have moved on to the 3s would therefore practice the 3s when they're in the car. If you can just send your phone back there, they ought to be able to know how to manipulate the settings to practice the tables that they're on. So we really hope that we can get your support here, and we thought that it would make it easy to go from an app that they use in class to an app on your phone that they can use in the car. If they practice 5 to 10 minutes daily, then what will happen is they'll be a master of the fact. They will have automaticity, and that way they can spend their time reading word problems, asking, what does it want me to know? What numbers actually make sense, and what strategies am I going to use to solve the problem? Not using their finger friends to find out what 8 times 7 is. We will also teach them the strategies that they need to figure out what the correct product is if they have forgotten one of those fact families. However, Asking them to practice is the only way that they can get to a place where they can use their brain to problem solve instead of figuring out their times tables. All right. Thank you so much. We hope that helps. We're sorry to add one more thing to your plate, but without your help, we can't get our eagles to where they need to be. All right. Thanks so much.
I need to know everything. Who and the what and the where. I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George. I hop in the Porsche, 5 on a horse. I'm ready for war. I'm coming for throats to turn to a ghost. I need to know everything.